Unlock the power of connection and build your passionate online tribe by mastering the art of creating a Facebook group. First, navigate to your Facebook homepage. Look for the Groups option in the left-hand menu bar. Click on it to enter the Groups section. On the Groups page, you'll see a prominent button that says Create New Group. Click this button to begin the group creation process. Now, a dialog box will appear. You need to give your group a compelling name that clearly reflects its purpose or shared interest. Then, choose your privacy setting. Public groups are visible to everyone, while private groups require an invitation or approval to join. For private groups, you can also choose if the group is visible or hidden from search results. As you create your group, you'll also have the option to invite some initial members. To get things started, you can add friends directly or skip this step for now. Once you've filled in the basic details, click the Create button. Congratulations! You've officially created your Facebook group. Now, it's time to make it yours. Your first step is to customize your group's appearance. Click on the option to upload a cover photo. Choose an image that visually represents your group's theme or community spirit. This is your group's first impression. Next, write a clear and engaging group description. Explain what the group is about, who it's for, and what kind of content members can expect. Consider adding a few simple guidelines or rules to ensure a positive and respectful environment for everyone. Now, you're ready to start fostering engagement. Use the Create Post option to share your first piece of content. This could be a question to spark discussion, an interesting article, a relevant photo, or a welcome message to new members. Encourage them to introduce themselves and share their thoughts. Continue to post regularly, respond to comments, and encourage members to share their own content. By actively participating and creating a welcoming space, you'll build a thriving community around your shared interests, fostering genuine connections and engaging discussions.